offers a compelling performance storage appliance, and I'd like to explain how it compares to all the other flash offerings in the market. Astute is all about helping IT managers eliminate application performance barriers with ViSX, our performance storage appliance. ViSX is a 100% all-flash solid-state storage device designed to boost application performance by up to 10 times. Now, there are many solid-state devices on the market, and I'll explain what makes them different. You can segment the storage vendors into 4 quadrants. Along the x-axis, we have increasing ability to work well in a shared storage environment. Along the y-axis, we have IOPS per dollar. In the lower left-hand quadrant, you see legacy arrays. Hard disk drives have limited performance, perhaps 200 IOPS. To get performance from a hard disk drive system, people have to commit unnatural acts, and it gets really expensive. Now, let's look at flash in the form of PCIe cards in the application server or connected externally but directly attached to a single server. Though very fast, the internal PCIe and external DAS solutions are not designed for shared environments. They can't share capacity or performance between servers. Moreover, they're not ideally suited for virtualization because they can't even support key features like storage vMotion. They can't share data stores. You have to shut down your application to install a PCIe card in a server. You waste server resources. And a lot of servers don't have the space, power, or cooling for a PCIe card solution. And finally, you throw away your investment when upgrading to a virtualized or any shared environment. So next, the legacy disk array vendors began putting flash behind the disk controllers to build so-called hybrid arrays. These controllers were designed years ago to manage spinning media, and these vendors have to restrict the amount of flash that sits behind these controllers because they can't handle the IOPS rate that flash can drive. Some of the newer vendors purpose-built hybrid arrays to take advantage of flash, but they still have a low number of IOPS and poor overall IOPS per dollar because they are still mostly based on disks. And to top it off, it's disruptive to your current organization as you've got to learn a whole new set of storage management tools. In the same quadrant are all-flash array implementations. These are very suitable for virtualized environments, but they are expensive because they're trying to be full-blown SAN storage replacements, and they have to support very large capacities and a full suite of storage management services to replace legacy storage systems. And the IOPS per dollar is very low, in large part due to the overhead of running storage protocols over Ethernet. Finally, in the upper right, you see we have our ViSX networked flash. This is really the optimal solution for resolving existing and preventing future I/O bottlenecks in shared physical or virtual environments. ViSX is a purpose-built network storage appliance for shared physical and virtualized applications. ViSX offers the best IOPS per dollar in the industry. ViSX is network attached, and you get full support of all of the virtualization capabilities in VMware, Microsoft, Red Hat, and Citrix environments. The key difference between ViSX and the other solid-state products is our technology that enables you to get the full performance benefit of flash over standard Ethernet networks, a solution to the storage and network protocol overhead problem. Astute engineered an ASIC we call our data pump engine. It's specifically designed to completely offload and accelerate iSCSI storage and TCP network protocol processing. Everybody else is just running standard operating system software or open source software on Intel-based CPUs that reside in their storage devices. The problem is those same CPUs that they're using for protocol processing, they're also using for their storage services, their RAID controllers, and other things. So basically it consumes a substantial amount of CPU cycles, degrading performance pretty badly. The data pump engine gives ViSX a 3 to 5 times price performance advantage over all those other storage systems. With ViSX, you literally plug it in, turn it on, answer a few questions, and storage vMotion over your data, and you're operational in a few minutes. You immediately get dramatic application performance gains for your most demanding databases and VDI environments. And there's no rip and replace of your existing storage systems. Thanks very much for listening. To learn more, go to our website at astutenetworks.com, send us an email at sales@astutenetworks.com, or better yet, talk with a solutions consultant by calling us at 858-673-7700.